Thanks for joining the Panorama Panel. We recently sent you a device known as a focal meter. Here's everything you need to know to get set up and become a full member of our panel. The focal meter connects to your internet router and measures your online viewing. It will not disrupt or slow your internet service. It will only be used to measure viewing on a limited list of sites. No other data, such as banking information, emails, or passwords, will be reported. Visit our website for the portal at any time to see which services we measure. Now let's set up your focal meter. Your package should include a focal meter, power plug, and Ethernet cable. Remove them from their packaging. To make things easier, we labeled the focal meter FMA, the plug FMB, and the cable FMC. Connect the focal meter to a power source using the plug. You should then see a light. Then use the Ethernet cable to connect your focal meter to your home internet router. Any free port on your router will work, and that's it. Your focal meter is now installed. Call us at 877-456-9995 to activate your device and get your rewards.